Hi students, 12th Standard Accountancy, Chapter-5, Admission of a Partner. Exercise sum number 19. Let's read the question. Deepak, Sendil and Santosh are partners sharing profit and losses equally. They admit Gerald into partnership for 1/3 share in future profit. The goodwill of the firm is valued at 45,000 rupees and Gerald brought cash for his share of goodwill. The existing partners withdraw half of the amount of their share of goodwill. Past necessary journal entries for adjusting goodwill on the assumption that the fluctuating capital method is followed. Let's explain what they tells us first. Okay, Deepak, Sendil and Santosh. These three are old partners. Okay, they share their profit and losses equally. The old partners share their profit and losses equally. Okay, they admit Gerald as a new partner into the partnership firm. Gerald's profit sharing ratio is 1/3. The goodwill of the firm is valued at 45,000. So the total goodwill of the firm is rupees 45,000. Gerald brought cash for his share of goodwill. So among that 45,000 rupees of goodwill, total goodwill value is 45,000. Gerald's share of goodwill is 45,000 into 1/3. Okay, so 45,000 into 1/3 means 1 3 is 3, 15 3s are 45. 3,000 is to be 1,000 added here. 115 is 15. So Gerald's share of goodwill is 15,000 rupees. So Gerald brought 15,000 rupees cash for goodwill. Okay. The existing partners withdraw half of the amount of their share of goodwill. Pause necessary journal entry. Okay. Listen here. So how to pause the journal entry? Gerald is a new partner who brings the goodwill. Okay. So the firm's total goodwill is 45,000. Among this 45,000 goodwill, 45,000 rupees of goodwill, what is the Gerald's share of goodwill? Gerald's profit sharing, new profit sharing, future profit sharing ratio is 1/3. So 45,000 into 1/3 is 15,000 rupees. So Gerald's share of goodwill is 15,000 rupees. So Gerald is a new partner who brought 15,000 rupees cash for goodwill. Okay. So first we have to pause the Gerald's new partners Gerald's 15,000 rupees goodwill. Okay, what is the journal entry? So cash comes into the business. Okay, in the name of goodwill. How much rupees? 15,000 rupees. Gerald is a new partner who brings the cash 15,000 rupees into the firm as a goodwill. Okay, so bank account data. What is the journal entry? What is the format? Cash comes into the business, so bank account data 15,000 rupees. That 15,000 rupees, how can the old partners distributed that 15,000 rupees? Listen here, the existing partners with, so listen, the 15,000 rupees is distributed to the old partners in sacrificing ratios. Sacrificing ratios is not given in the questions. So we have to assume the old profit sharing ratio as the sacrificing ratio. What is their old partners old profit sharing ratios? The old partners Deepak, Senthil and Santosh share their profit and losses equally. So the goodwill amount 15,000 rupees also have to share distributed equally. So there are three partners, right? So 1/3 into 15 are 5,000 rupees, right? So the 5,000 rupees is equally distributed to the old partner's capital account. Okay. So what is the journal entry? Bank account data 15,000 rupees to Deepak capital account for 5,000 rupees, Sendil's capital account 5,000 rupees to Santosh capital account 5,000 rupees. When the old new partners brought the cash in the name of goodwill 15,000 rupees, we pause the journal entry bank account data to respective old partners capital account. Okay, So what is the next journal entry? How to pass the next journal entry? Listen the question here. The existing partners withdraw half of the amount of their share of goodwill. So existing partners withdraw half of the amount. Underline that word. The existing partners withdraw half of the amount of their share of goodwill. What is their share of goodwill? The existing partner's share of goodwill is 5,000 rupees. Then the existing partners withdraw half of the amount of their share of goodwill means 5,000 divided by 2. What is half of the share of from 5,000 rupees? 2,500 rupees. So what is the journal entry? Whenever they withdraw the goodwill, the journal entry is reverse order. Respective old partners capital account debtor to bank account. Who are the respective old partners? Deepak, Senthil and Santosh. So Deepak capital account debtor 2,500 rupees, Senthil's capital account debtor 2,500 rupees and Santosh capital account debtor 2,500 rupees to bank account 7,500 rupees. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it in the comment box. Thank you. Take care.